Welcome back to Car Magica, where we bring you the latest car reviews, features, and expert insights. Today, we're diving into the world of luxury and performance with the 2026 Ford Mustang GTD Motorhome. A bold fusion of American muscle heritage and modern engineering, this motorhome sets new standards for both speed-inspired design and on-the-road comfort. First, let's talk about the interior. Ford's Mustang GTD is all about performance luxury, and the 2026 motorhome captures that DNA perfectly. As you step inside, you're welcomed by a driver-focused cockpit blended with a spacious, high-tech living area. Premium Alcantara leather, carbon fiber accents, and brushed aluminum trims give the cabin a sporty yet refined atmosphere. The lounge area comes with a massive flat-screen display, integrated surround sound, and panoramic side windows inspired by racing aerodynamics. The kitchen is equipped with modern essentials, including a smart induction cooktop, refrigerator, and even a chilled compartment styled like the Mustang's track-ready cooling system. The master suite offers a queen-size performance-inspired bed, while the bathroom features sleek metallic fixtures that mirror the aggressive Mustang GTD styling cues. Now, moving to the exterior, the 2026 Ford Mustang GTD Motorhome is a true showstopper. Borrowing heavily from the GTD Supercar's design, it features sharp aerodynamic lines, an aggressive front fascia, and a fastback-inspired silhouette. The exterior is coated in a special performance metallic paint that enhances durability while delivering track car shine. A deployable awning creates a premium outdoor lounge area, while forged Mustang alloy wheels and GTD badging give it an unmistakable identity. Built on a reinforced lightweight chassis, the motorhome is engineered to balance agility with long-haul stability, ensuring that it drives as dynamically as it looks. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Ford Mustang GTD Motorhome is unlike anything else on the road. Under the hood lies a 5.2-liter Supercharged V8 engine derived from the Mustang GTD, delivering a staggering 700 horsepower tuned for RV dynamics. Coupled with adaptive Magna-Ride suspension, it ensures not just power, but a surprisingly smooth ride, even when tackling uneven terrain. The 8-speed dual-clutch transmission shifts with precision, giving drivers that Mustang thrill while still providing refined cruising comfort. Ford has also equipped it with advanced driver assist systems, including adaptive steering, trailer assist tech, and a performance braking package for superior control. This makes it the perfect blend of American muscle and motorhome practicality. Finally, let's discuss the price. The 2026 Ford Mustang GTD Motorhome is positioned as a limited production performance RV, and its price reflects its exclusivity. Starting at around $650,000, it's not designed for the everyday buyer, but rather for enthusiasts seeking both Mustang adrenaline and luxury living on wheels. That price includes all bespoke GTD-inspired elements, the massive performance upgrade, and the handcrafted attention to detail that comes with this special edition model. Investing in this motorhome isn't just buying an RV, it's owning a piece of Mustang performance history in a new form. To sum up, the 2026 Ford Mustang GTD Motorhome is a groundbreaking blend of muscle car power, cutting-edge technology, and luxurious travel comfort. It delivers an experience unlike any other motorhome, merging track-inspired performance with long-distance practicality. Whether you're heading cross-country or showcasing it at an auto event, the Mustang GTD Motorhome ensures you'll travel in unmatched style and performance. Stay tuned for more reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Car Magica for all the latest in automotive excellence.